photometry and radiometry. In photometry deals with the measurement of light energy and comparison of luminous intensities of sources. It has assumed importance in our daily life as every place requires a definite illumination in order to avoid unnecessary strain in our eyes. The following terms are generally used in the phenomena. The branch of optics which deals with the measurement of light is known as photometry. In photometry, photo means light and metry means measurement. Luminous flux, total light emitted by a light source in all directions. The rate at which light is emitted from a luminous body. The amount of light energy radiated from a source or an illuminating object in all directions per second is known as luminous flux. Its SI unit is lumen. The definition of lumen is the luminous flux across unit area of the surface of a sphere of unit radius when a uniform point source of one candela is placed at its center. Luminous intensity or illuminating power of a source is the amount of luminous energy given out by it per second per unit solid angle. Luminous intensity, light emitted towards a specific direction within a given angle. Unit of luminous intensity is candela. Candela is defined as 1/60th of the luminous intensity of 1 square centimeter of a perfect black body maintained at the temperature of freezing platinum, or 1 candela is the luminous intensity of the source if it emits 1 lumen per sterdian. The luminous intensity or illuminating point can also be defined as at a point source in any direction is defined as the luminous flux emitted or radiated per unit solid angle in that direction. Illumination or intensity of illumination at a point is the luminous flux per unit area of the surface surrounding the point. Thus, if flux pi is incident uniformly over an area A, then the illumination on the surface is I is equals to pi divided by A. The SI unit of illumination is lux. Lux is the illumination on the surface of a sphere of radius 1 meter when a point source of 1 candela is placed at its center. Thus, 1 lux is equals to 1 lumen per meter square. The other units of illumination are photon. It is the intensity of illumination of a source which receives 1 lumen per square centimeter. It is the unit of illumination in terms of CGS, where one port is equals to 10 raised to 4 lux. Brightness or illuminance of a surface, the amount of luminous energy coming out of it per second. It is represented by capital B. The SI unit of illuminance or brightness is Lambert. The total amount of light that falls on a surface is called illuminance. Illuminance amount of light energy falling on 1 meter square area. The inverse square law. According to this law, illumination at a point on a surface due to a point source is inversely proportional to the square of its distance from the source. That is, I is proportional to 1 by r square, where r is the distance between the point and the source. Consider a point source of light S of luminous intensity L, candela emitting light uniformly in all directions. Let capital A and capital B are the 2 points distant R1 and R2 respectively from S as shown in figure. Let I1 and I2 be the illuminations at point A and point B respectively. To calculate I1, imagine a sphere of radius R1 described with S at its center. The point A lies on the surface of this sphere. As the flux is normal to the surface of the sphere at all points, the illumination at any point on the surface of a sphere is the same. So, I1 is equals to pi divided by A1 is equals to pi divided by, where A1 is the area of the surface A, that is 4 pi R1 square. Similarly, for I2 is equals to pi divided by A2 is equals to pi divided by 4 pi R2 square. Dividing I1 by I2, we get I1 by I2 is equals to pi get cancel out, 4 pi get cancel out. So remaining terms are R2 square divided by R1 square. Cross multiply R1 square with I1 and R2 square with I2. You get I1 R1 square is equals to I2 R2 square. In general, we can write it as I R square is equals to constant, or I is proportional to 1 by R square. So this is the inverse square law. Photometer. It is an instrument which is used to compare the luminous intensities of two sources. If the luminous intensity of one of the source is known, then the luminous intensity of the other can be easily calculated. The photometers which are commonly used are Lummer-Brodom photometer. The principle of photometry: if two sources of luminous intensity L1 and L2 produce the same illumination at distance D1 and D2 respectively, then L1 divided by D1 square is equals to L2 divided by D2 square, or we can write it as L1 divided by L2 is equals to d1 square divided by d2 square. Under this condition, the sources are said to be photometrically matched.